Hleli number one, Luzumboga's one of the crucial player.
Oh yeah, actually him as well.
Yeah. You're losing Bogazi. This guy, Saleng as well, you want him to lose.
Yeah.
Against the Abantabama content, Abantani in fighting up. Dangerous.
It's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. If you win a league under those circumstances, you're losing your best defender, and then you take one of your attackers to give to your opponent, your direct
can't be
opponent.
doing that.
If you win the league under those circumstances, it would be mind blowing.
Yeah, honestly, because they're competing against very strong players, individual, seasoned players. Talking about Sundown, seasoned players, experience. Without no matter coach Aiko or Recon, obvious as a player, you can't play without a coach. You need a guidance outside. You must play under instruction. But those players at Sundowns, they are seasoned players.
Yeah.
They experience enough from fit. So add another experience. Minang Sasha Nama is a win in Sundowns League.
Yes, it's going to be difficult for. We'll see. We'll see. Let's wrap it up. We talked about the potential of anga succeed to Swalen. If you're sitting there at Sundowns, you think to yourself on a big fish, but you as an analyst from outside looking in, you think, unlike Ulodge, is a spanner signing.
Njoba ngisho Pizzo once can go there, which is I believe Pizzo will go.
Okay.
Pizzo will go mfethu. It was Spanish according to Eastern Sack up front. Experienced player. Pizzo I mix a youth and experience. And Sundowns, they will surprise opponent because now under this coach, ngithi mina unawo lawo ma player mfethu. Maseko ngeruma ngizwa ngathi you want to get rid of him. Ngeruma mangabi fana.
We need that player to play.
But they release Lodge. That's why under this coach, it's possible because Lodge was gone. A player opetele sindo lesi similar usalenga naso.
Yeah.
And then you release him now, he's doing well for with that one of the best players in Morocco currently. And Club World Cup did so well.
Yeah.
Why didn't they bring him back? It's a question for Sundown. So under this coach, you don't mean it's not his signing. Under Pizzo will do well. Amarbazom coaches ngisho uyenza ngenkani. He's gonna play wing back. Also wing forward. He's going to do well under Pizzo because I got a choice. Pizzo, we will try by all means to improve that guy. Pizzo fit to the hardworking. Also sal after training. Gonna make extras that he will do because the team got Pizzo they build up. But surprise they train you first before they